Hi, my name is Serge Gregoire and I'm working for DHL Freight since 8 years. I'm responsible for a competence center which is managing one of the core products in the software portfolio of DHL Freight. The competence center is end-to-end responsible and consists of 6 different people. Now this competence center is doing the definition, development, support, deployment, all the different aspects that comes with developing a transport management system. Plato is a transport management system and is used to manage different aspects of the supply chain of our customers. And there can be different transport modes, can be road, rail, short sea, a number of varieties. Now, when you are developing a software application, there is a number of complexities that you have to deal with. And in our case, we have significantly grown as an application from local to regional and almost global application. So together with this growth of our customers and growth of our business, we have been facing as well a number of growing pains. And because the application is made in such a way that we are dynamically dealing with the expectations of our customers, we have almost every month a release. And this release contains on average 30 different tickets or changes. And that's quite a complex portfolio to manage. Now, over the number of years, Plato as a total platform or as a solution consists of a number of modules. And these modules is around 25-30 different modules each to be maintained on different platforms in different environments. Some of them are used client-side, some of them are used server-side. We have of course difference between test environment, production environment, and that's of course all these things together make that you need a good software solution to manage the development of all these components. Now we have chosen to implement Plastic, I think around 2-3 years ago, to support us in this decentralized development, because we have different developers working on different software components. Some of them are on site, but some others are off site as well. And that makes that we really needed a good tool to manage all these different aspects. Now, it first started with using the different workspaces, as Plastic calls them, to manage the different environments, which could be Java, could be .NET. We have for using it as well to make the differentiation between test and production. The fact that we have almost every month a new release means that we have branches per release to manage that properly, and which allows us to easily revert back to an old version in case that something goes wrong. All the different tickets that we have, around 30 per release, well, for each different ticket we create as well a branch in the environment, which allows us to isolate the development for a specific request. In the same way we deal with UATs, we deal with hotfixes, and Plastic has been really a key differentiator to support us in there. Out of the tools on the market, Plastic is one of the tools that really helps us in having all these members in the team, 6 members, to work together in a very virtual one way, although, yeah, you don't feel it. I mean, everyone is working on its own domain, but when it comes to releasing, all these things come together in a very smooth way. It feels like Plastic is a 7th member in the team that organizes and orchestrates all these developments. And without Plastic, we would never have been able to bring our application to the level where it is today. It has grown from a local level to regional, global level, and we have been able to maintain the flexibility that we had when we were still a local application, and that's one of the biggest achievements that we could do. Thanks to Plastic.